So guys, for the first step, you want to get into this screen. Now to get here, you want to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. As soon as it turns on, you want to turn it off again and then turn it back on again. You want to repeat this 3 times. So you want to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. As soon as it turns on, you want to turn it off again and then turn it back on again. You want to repeat this 3 times, and then on the 4th time, when you turn your computer on again, it will then take you into this screen. It's going to be saying that your PC did not start correctly. You want to click on Advanced Options. And now once you're on this, you want to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then Command Prompt. And now this will come up. And now once you're on this, you want to type in bootrec /fix mbr. Click on Enter. And now you want to type in bootsect /nt60 sys. Click on Enter. And now you want to type in bootrec /fix boot. Click on Enter again. And now you want to type in bootrec /scan os. Click on Enter. Wait for this to load. And now you want to type in bootrec /rebuild bcd. Click on Enter. Wait for this to load. Next, we're going to type in sfc /scan now, and I click on Enter. And you now want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And now once that's been done, now you want to type in chkdsk c:/f/r, and I click on Enter. And you now want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. And now once that's been done, we can now close out of this. Next, you want to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and now you want to click on Start to Prepare. It's now going to start diagnosing your PC. Wait for this to load. It's now going to start attempting repairs. Wait for this to load. And it should now boot you back into Windows, and this should now fix your problem. If for some reason it said to you Start to Prepare could not repair your PC, you want to click on Advanced Options, which will now take you to here. You want to click on Continue and Exit to Windows. And the commands that you ran earlier in the previous step should still fix your problem. So when you continue to Windows, your problem should still be fixed.